What's up, you guys? It's your boy Felipe, and today we're going to talk about the importance of building a strong community around you when it comes to investing in real estate or in any business venture. Let's get started. All right, guys, before we get started, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the algorithm, and it is my heart and my passion to teach about real estate, and especially what I'm doing and giving that value back. I'm out here on 5 acres. This is my wife's family land. It's in Daytona, Florida. It's beautiful. Just look at that scenery up there. You can't fake that. The trees, it's so nice out here, guys. If you ever get a chance, buy some land. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. I'm actually even just sporting a tank top. Boom. All right, so let's talk about it. I get this question quite a bit. Felipe, what is and how is the importance of having good mentors, the right community around you? And I think this is really important. It's important because your passion to do something isn't going to be there daily. You're not daily going to have a passion to get out of bed and pursue those deals and pursue that cash flow and pursue your goals. You're not going to have that daily. You are going to do what's in routine. So I tell most investors, most people that I help train, especially in our community in Rat Race to 5, my mastermind, link below, is to get around the right community who's going to hold you accountable to the goals that you said you wanted to do, right? It's really important to have that community around you that's going to hold you accountable as to what you said that your goals are, right? Your passion is only going to take you so far. It's really going to be those people that are around you that have heard your passion, that have heard your goals, and have said, hey, you said you wanted to do this before, so this is what you need to be doing today. Or not just that, it's an accountability to yourself, right? You are accountable to those that are around you and what you say that you're going to do, right? That's going to be like, crap, I have a meeting on Wednesday, which and Mondays and Wednesdays, right? So in Rat Race to 5, for example, we have meetings Monday and we have meetings Wednesday where people get together. There's about 50 to 60 of us and basically we talk about our goals, and you are held accountable to those goals because now it's your responsibility to reach those goals and not just have a passion about it, right? See, passion fades. A lot of people come in with this raw mentality that, I'm going to be the best at fill in the blank, whether football player, basketball player, or real estate investor like myself, right? It's really easy to lose that passion when you don't have a community around you. Why do you think that football players have cheerleaders or the one girlfriend or the wife that just pushes them, right? Or vice versa, the WNBA or women's soccer league. I think those are great sports, but they always have a team behind them that's pushing them to be better, coaches to be better. Do not rely on your passion for fill in the blank subject to get you through, because on the hard days, that is not what's going to get you through. What's going to get you through to the next level 100% of the time is going to be those things that you do daily, right? Set a routine. Wake up at a certain time in the morning. Do this, focus on these goals. And if you do that daily, that is when it's what's going to get you to the next level. Not passion, routine. Carve out some time in your day to say, hey, I'm going to analyze 50 deals and put in 10 offers weekly. Doesn't matter if they get accepted or not. That's what I'm going to do. And eventually you're going to get really good at it and you're going to be able to find those deals. So remember, routine beats passion, okay? Hard work beats talent, especially when talent doesn't want to work hard. Oh, that was a good one. Somebody tweet that. Again, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't want to work hard. You are not going to have passion daily, but you can have your routine daily. And that is what's most important, okay? Personally, I get tired of real estate sometimes. I do. I generally do. I'm like, man, I don't want to talk about this today. Like, I really don't want to. But I know that I have a routine. Every single day, I do certain things that push me forward towards my goal. Don't give up on that. Don't stop pursuing that. Continue to have daily habits that are going to push your goal. Thanks, guys. Hey, if you like the channel, please hit me a like, subscribe, leave me a great comment. Any questions that you might have, I'd love to answer. Thanks, guys.